How are you doing? I'm Tom, and today I want to show y'all a new product I ran across, and that's the Beartooth Products Comb Raising Kit. Now, normally I'm not about promoting products. I think we have too many gadgets and gimmicks already, and I'm about saving money and simplifying. But this is a really great product that I really wanted to share with y'all. It solved a lot of problems for me. Okay, if you've seen any of my past videos, or many of them, I've talked a lot about the importance of having a good cheek weld on your rifle. All right, and most hunting rifles with a scope, it's hard to get a good cheek weld. Either the comb of the rifle is too low or the scope's too high, or both. Especially if you're running bigger objectives on your scope, because then you have to raise the scope up for clearance with the barrel. That's when you start getting into your high rings and extra highs and stuff. All right, well, as the scope comes up, the rifle comes down. All right, well, you lose your cheek weld. And the cheek weld's important, really important, for precision shooting. Okay, it helps you control the rifle better, the recoil, so forth. Plus, when you got a good cheek weld, you literally just let your head rest on the comb. Okay, that makes a world of difference in your shooting. But to be able to do that, you first have to have a high enough comb to get a good cheek weld. Well, this lets you adjust your comb height with the different inserts that come with it. For synthetic stocks, you know, there's different things you can do there. You can put different padding and insulation and tape it to the rifle and so forth, which is still a pain because when you go to pull your bolt out, you have to remove whatever you came up with for your cheek weld. All right. Well, for a really nice wooden stock, you don't want to just start taping padding and things to your rifle. All right, so it's a lot tougher with a wooden rifle to adjust this. And this is the first product I've seen specifically for this that works really well with a really nice wooden stock. And that's why, you know, I'm really pleased with this. Plus, it does have the shell holder on it. And during hunting season, I keep a shell holder on my rifles, just for convenience. Anytime I pick up a rifle with a shell holder on it, I keep 5 rounds in it. When I get to the woods, I put the 5 rounds in the rifle. I'm hunting. When I get done, I take the 5 rounds out, put them back in the shell holder. I don't have to worry about if I come home in the afternoon and I want to grab a rifle real quick and get to the woods, I don't have to worry about, did I remember to get my ammunition? It's with the rifle. As long as I got the rifle, I've got the bullets. It's really convenient. So this has the shell holder, and I've used several shell holders before, just not only for the shell holder, but also, like I mentioned, to get a little space here for a cheek weld, but they weren't adjustable. This one is. So I'm just absolutely tickled to have found this. Matter of fact, I'd never even heard of them, and a buddy of mine called me up and said, hey, you need to look at this. He was right. All right. Now, putting this on was kind of aggravating. This is neoprene, it's pretty thick. I ended up, I was already swapping scopes, so I slid it in from the barrel this way instead of trying to come over the recoil pad. I mean, this thing's tight. All right, so just keep that in mind when you go to put it on. You're going to do a lot of pulling and wrestling with it. And also, when I put it on, I got it on the rifle first, and then I just folded it forward to put the spacer in here, and then just kind of unrolled it with the front already where it should be, then just kind of unrolled it over the spacer. And I think that's probably the easiest way to do it. If any of you've got a better way, let me know. And another thing I really liked about this one, it's already got a cutout for your sling studs. You know, Some of the strap-on shell holders, it's not an issue. Some of the ones to slide on, it is an issue, and you end up having to cut a hole here, you know, for your sling stud. So this one's already got the hole, which was really nice. And one last thing, a lot of you probably don't care, but again, if you've watched other videos of mine, you know I'm real big on things made in the USA. I try to buy American. This is made in the USA. So hey, that's just a bonus. All right, I hope that helps some of you out. I think this ran for about 25 bucks off Amazon. I don't remember exactly, but just type in Beartooth Products Comb Raising Kit and you won't have any trouble finding it. And that's just for if you're, you know, had this issue like I've had for a while with, you know, needing a good cheek weld, but having wooden stock rifles that you didn't want to just go duct taping things to. So again, that was just a really nice product that I wanted to share with y'all. All right, hey, if this video helped you out anyway, please give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, please give me a thumbs up. Any shooting and hunting video out there, give it a thumbs up. Let YouTube know you like shooting and hunting videos. And if you want to see any future videos, just hit the subscribe button and notification bell if you want to be notified. I think that covered it for this. God bless and have a good day.